Hi students, I am Dr. B.M. Fulvante, Head and Assistant Professor, Sanjeevani Mahavidyalaya, Chapoli, Department of Physics. First of all, I welcome to you in this academic year 2020-21. You are familiar that due to COVID-19, we are physically not gathering together. That's why we have chosen the way of online education. So welcome to you all in our online education. First of all, we discuss in short about what is our syllabus in physics. Yes, this is the syllabus for our second year. CBCS pattern it is there, and this year it is changed, that is effective from 2020 to 2021 for this academic year. Chairman of our VOS committee is Dr. M.K. Patil sir. You remember this, and other committee members are there. They have designed a syllabus in a very nice manner. Here you go to it, you will also get syllabus on the website of our university. Here this is for FY. I will go to the second year. First of all, I will zoom it so that you can see it carefully. Yes, this is C in zoom position. Here already you have completed your 2 semesters, first semester and second semester in first year. Now let us turn, you are now in semester 3, and afterwards once we overcome this third, then fourth semester. I mean this year you have 2 semesters, third and fourth. In third semester, what are the papers? What about their weightages? This we think. There are 2 papers in third. In first semester we have seen total first, second, third, fourth and fifth, 5 papers. Now here in third semester, section A, paper number CCP. CCP stands for Core Course Physics 3. Name of the course is Waves and Oscillations, or simply you remember CCP 3 section A or paper number 6. Here workload is given, total hours. Here MESCA, mid semester assessment and end semester assessment is given. I mean these are the theory marks and these are the internal marks. You can remember in short, total 50 marks, 1 paper in credit 2. In the same way, CCP 3 section B, that is paper number 7. 6 waves and oscillation, paper number 7 statistical physics, electromagnetics theory and relativity. Same there, 10 marks MSA, 40 marks ESA, total 50, credit 2. In the same way, here SEC, that it is optional, either you take physics or you can take any other subject. And those having physics, SEC skill enhancement course is there. So here 25 marks are there. I mean 25 and assessment, 25 internal you take, total 50 marks. This is about semester number 3. Now let us turn to semester 4. This is important for you only. Waves oscillations is statistical physics, electromagnetic theory. Skill SEC you take, remember. Next one is what? CCP 4. This was CCP 3. Now CCP 4. Section A, section B, like same only. Here paper number 8, optics and laser. Next one is basic electronics, paper number 9. Then CCPS, skill enhancement course, ACC 3. CCP in the sense already I have told you, core course physics. The here also same, like 1040 for both papers, optics and lasers, basic electronics, total 50-50, credit same. Then SEC same 25 internal, 25 end assessment. Then I'll take here skill enhancement over. Now about practicals. CCPP 2. This is annual. Practicals are conducted annually, not semester wise. So this is core course physics practical. Second, that is practicals based on sections A, like this, section A, section 1. So here practicals are again 40 and 10, 50 marks practical, one paper. Another paper is same, practical based on the section B. Section B means electromagnetic theory and here basic electronics. These are the papers. These are paper 10 and paper 11 belongs to what? Practicals. Paper 11 is from section B and paper 10 is from the sections A. So I mean practicals from sections A and practicals from section B respectively. In all, total 16 credit goes to the candidate. Long form already I have told you this. This is about BSc second year. Now this is BSc third year. Later on I will tell you. Say this is your syllabus. Already we have seen here in syllabus BSc TY BSc second year. Here waves and oscillations we have seen. Same syllabus is given. For BSc second year. Waves and oscillations, your paper 10 and 40, total 50 marks. Here you have to learn these things. This form the course core programs and every student for pursuing BSc with physics as one of the optional is required to study this course. Here I will just reduce zoom. Here unit 1 is waves. Second one is stationary waves. Third one is free and forced vibrations. And last one is what? Acoustics and ultrasonics. Here books list is given to you. Waves and Oscillations by Brijlal and Subramaniam. Very nice books. All these books are recommended by our BOS members. And these books are mostly as per our syllabus. So these 4 chapters only you have to cover in detail. The next one is statistical physics, electromagnetic theory and relativity, statistical basics, thermodynamics, classical statistics and quantum statistics, electromagnetic statistics and quantum electromagnetic theory and Maxwell's equations, relativity. These are the 4 chapters in your the previous 4 and these 4. These are the 8 chapters to you in our semester number 3. In the same way, here what happens in SEC. In case of SEC, algorithm and flowchart, scientific programming, control statements. This is 3rd unit. Exercise is shown here. So these are the various concepts included in our syllabus. And this is about the CCP4 paper optics and laser, basic electronics, paper number 9 for next semester. In paper number 9 you have to see semiconductor diodes, BJT bipolar junction transistor, operational amplifier and sinusoidal oscillators. Very useful it is in our day-to-day life also. So in this way, in short, we have seen the syllabus of BSc second year. Practical list is also given to you. Here what are the practicals from section A, from section B. So all these practicals you note name of the